Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 47 is let y be the solution of the differential equation with the initial condition given below. If y at x equal to is equal to a ln 2, then the value of a is dash rounded up to 2 decimal places. X square d square y by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Y at x equal to 1 is equal to 0. Dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So here the given differential equation is x square d square y by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So if we have uh, x square multiplied with d square by dx square and x multiplied by dy by dx, so to solve such type of equation, we'll put x is equal to e is equal to t and x dy by dx is equal to dy and x square d square by dx is equal to b bracket b minus 1 bracket close y. Okay. So now putting these values, there is long derivation for that, but we are not going to that derivation. Just put x equal to e equal to t, x dy by dx equal to dy, x square d square y by dx square equal to d bracket b minus 1 y bracket. Okay. So here we put this, the equation will become d bracket d minus 1 bracket close y plus 3 dy plus y. So if we take y common, then the equation and solve this, the equation will become d square minus d plus 3d plus 1, and or we can write it as d square plus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0, or d square, now this 2d can be written as d square plus d plus d plus 1, or we can take common d bracket d plus 1 bracket close plus 1 d plus 1, or d plus 1 multiplied by d plus 1 will be 0, or directly we can write here this is d square plus 2d plus 1 as d plus 1 whole square. So from this we get d is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So these are equal roots. So now solution of this type of equation is y is equal to c1 plus c2 t. We are assuming it as here we are taking t, and e raised to power multiplied by this root, that is minus 1 into t, or we can say m1 or m2, because both are same, so that is minus 1 into t. Okay, so if roots are equal, then this is the solution. Now t, as et is x, so t will be a log x and e minus t will be 1 by x. Okay, because et is your x, if we take log both sides, log x will be your t and e minus t will be your 1 by x. If we put x is equal to 1, okay, if we put x is equal to 1, y is 0. Okay, if we put x is equal to 1, y is 0, and then c1 by x will be your 0, or c1 will be 0, and y is c2, because c1 is 0, now y is c2 log x 1 by x. Now if we differentiate it, then and we'll take this as product rule. We use here product rule. So c2 keeping same, if we keep this log x and differentiate it, it will be minus 1 by x. Now if we keep this 1 by x as it is, log x will be 1 by x, it will be 1 by x. Or we and it is given that x is equal to 1, dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 1, and if x is 1, then log 1 is 0, so this whole term will be 0, and this will be your c2. So c2 will be your 1. So if c2 is 1, c1 is 0, then equation y will be your 1 by x log x. Okay, now according to question, if x is 2, y is a ln 2. If x is 2, y is 1 by 2 log 2, putting x equal to y is this. Okay, and it is given that it is a ln 2. So if we compare these two equations, a ln 2 and 1 by 2 log 2, it will be a will be your 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. So repeating procedure, first put x is equal to et and x dy by dx equal to dy, x square d square y by dx equal to d bracket d minus 1 by, and then solve for d. So d will come out as minus 1 and minus 1 equal root. Then the equation, then the solution is c1 plus c2 t within bracket into e raised to minus 1t. Now we can put t, and boundary conditions are given, that is given as x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. From this we can find c1. Second boundary condition is where x is 1, dy by dx is equal to 1. We will differentiate it and put x is equal to 1 and dy by dx is equal to 1. We got c2 as 1. So now we will put the constant c1 and c2. Then c1 is 0, c2 is 1. So the equation will become 1 by x log x. Now at x is equal to 2, y will be your 1 by 2 log 2. So if we compare it with the given solution, that is a ln 2, then a will be 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2.